Here we are in Illustrator. Select Polygon tool and click over Artboard. Here I am putting 5. Rotate it 180 degree. Little bit stretch it. Fill color none and change the stroke color to black. Now increase the stroke size. Using a direct selection tool to carve these two corners of the polygon. You can see how easily we have made this shield. Draw an ellipse over the shield. Select both the shapes and align to middle. Now select line tool and draw a vertical line like this. Copy by pressing Alt. Once you satisfy, press Ctrl+D for multiple lines. Now select the circle, copy it and paste in place. Increasing the size by pressing Shift and Alt. Select everything and little bit zoom in, and with the shape builder tool removing the part which are not necessary. To delete any part, I am pressing Alt. Removing this part as well. Now select direct selection tool. Select these 2 points, right click, join. Do same here. And this part as well. With the shape builder tool, removing this unwanted part as well. Importing a cricket ball illustration. Placing it to the middle of this circle. Now select a star tool and we'll draw some stars over it. Place text accordingly.
Subscribe our channel for more videos.